So this is as far as I can zoom in on this. I don't know what that is. It's hovering out there over the ocean. And maybe it's a blimp. But yeah, I don't know what that is. That's not... Oh boy, I don't even know. I don't think it's a blimp. It doesn't really look like a blimp. But there it is. I'm in San Clemente, California, looking out over the ocean. And there's something flying in the sky there. I wish I could get a better zoom in of this because it's flying really slow. And I don't know what it is. It's not a normal one. So, yeah, boy, that's interesting. Wish I had some binoculars. All right, have a good one.